Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you keep baked kale chips crispy? To keep kale leaves crispy, they must be thoroughly baked to remove all moisture and cooled to room temperature before storing. Store the chips in an airtight container at room temperature up to 5 days, or more, depending on the humidity in your house.
Let's help you make your mark.
Raw kale may be more nutritious, but it may also harm your thyroid function. Kale, along with other cruciferous vegetables, contains a high amount of goitrogens, which are compounds that can interfere with thyroid function. 8. Specifically, raw kale contains a type of goitrogen called goitrogens.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The problem with many kale chips found in your local grocery or health food store is that they add a lot of salt and fats. And, contrary to rumor, cooking kale does not take away its nutritional benefits. When you bake kale to make chips, you lose water content, which is what makes it dry and crispy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.